Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll continue to the exercises. This is the last thing. Should be the exercises of this section. Finding a derivative, find dy over dx by implicit differentiation, which is direct one. I have what is this? X to the power 5 plus y to the power 5 equals 16. I'll differentiate with respect to x to get what? 5x to the power 4 plus 5y to the power 4y prime equals 0. That means I have y prime equal minus 5x to the power 4 over 5y to the power 4. That's minus x to the power 4 over y to the power 4. This is number 7. Now number 12. Same thing. We want to differentiate with respect to x. This is what? xy to the power half equal x squared y plus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x to get what? I have half xy to the power minus half times the derivative of this. I have product that will be y plus xy prime equal. Here I have product 2. So I have 2xy plus x squared y prime. Derivative of 1 is 0. Now I'll combine the one with y prime in one side, the one with no y prime in the other side. So I have what? Half or 1 over 2 cube root xy. This is times x, y prime. This is times this. This is 1. Also, this one, I take it in the other side. Minus x squared, y prime. This will be what? This will be 2xy. Now, this, I'll take it to the other side. Minus y over 2 square root xy. So y prime, I can simplify. Yeah, that will be what? 4xy square root xy minus y over 2 root xy, which is this one, over y prime equal. This one is what? I took y prime common factor, so I have x minus 2x squared square root xy over 2 root x. For these things cancelled. So we have, that's it. This is will be 4xy square root xy minus y over x minus 2x squared. Okay, 15. The same idea. Differentiate with respect to x. What I will get? ey, derivative of x, which is 1 times ey, plus x, ey, y prime. This is equal minus 10 plus 3 y prime equals 0. What I have here with y prime 3 plus x e to the power y. In the other side, 10 minus e to the power y. So y prime 10 minus e to the power y over 3 plus x to the power y prime. I mean dy over dx, huh? Since you're asking for dy over dx, which is y prime. Okay. More problems. Here I have what? 2 differentiate with respect to x. 2 sine by x plus cosine by y. Derivative of this, which is by cosine by x minus by cosine by y prime times y prime. All of this equals 0. Now let me simplify it. That means what? This is, it has no y prime. So just I need this. That implies by cosine by x minus by y prime cosine by y is equal to 0. I'm looking for y prime. So y prime will be, also I can cancel pi with pi. That will be sine by x over, wait a minute, this is sine, should be sine, sorry. Should be sine. There is a cosine minus sine, so will be sine. And this will be sine by y. Okay, so that will be y prime. Now 23, differentiate with respect to x. Let me write it, x squared minus 3 ln y plus y squared equals 10. This is the problem. Differentiate with respect to x. I have 2x minus 3y prime over y plus 2y prime equals 0. Now we need to solve for y prime. That will give us what? I have y prime times 2y minus 3 over y equal minus 2x. Okay, now we just simplify it. What you will get, y prime will be what? Yeah, let me simplify this. That will be 2y squared minus 3 over y equal minus 2x. So y prime minus 2xy over 2y squared minus 3 or 2xy over 3 minus 2y squared. Okay. This one, 26. It's 4xy plus ln x squared y equals 7, which I can simplify. 4xy plus ln x squared plus ln y equals 7, which I can simplify more. 2 ln x plus ln y equals 7. Now I will differentiate with respect to x. What you will get? Here I have product. So I have 4y plus 4xy prime plus 2 over x plus y prime over y equals 0. So that implies, I have y prime 4x plus 1 over y equals minus 4y minus 2 over x. And that implies in y prime 4xy plus 1 over y equals minus 4xy minus 2 over x. So y prime, this is 4. Y prime will be minus 4xy squared minus 2y over 4x squared y plus x. And that will be the answer. Okay, find derivatives implicitly and explicitly. Yeah, what they mean, 27. This one, you can rewrite it as y square 64 minus x square, which means y equal plus or minus square root 64 minus x square. So you can find the derivative in an implicit way, in an explicit way. Explicit, I have dy by dx will be plus or minus 1 over 2 root 64 minus x square times minus 2x. And that will give me minus plus x over square root 64 minus x square. Implicit, I will be back to this one, but let me do the implicit way. I'll do 28 here. 28, I'll do it here. Implicit, just differentiate. You have 2x plus 2y, y prime equals 0. So that implies y prime equal minus x over y. If you noticed, this one, since I actually before, this one I can label it minus x, and here I have plus or minus. And this is my y. Y is this. So that will be minus x over y. Or you can do it plus or minus, you'll get the same answer. Cases, I mean. We deal with it cases, you'll get the same answer. 28, I have 16y square. No, this is 29. I mean, 29, it's not 28. 29 is what? 16y square minus x square equals 16. So it means y square equals what? 16 plus x square over 16, which is 1 plus, or you can leave it like this. So y equal plus or minus square root 16 plus x square over 4. Okay. I will differentiate it. You have explicit dy by dx will be what? Will be this one, you can rewrite it. So dy over dx will be half by half over 1/8. That will be 1 over 8. Correct? Huh? It will be, yeah, let me write it here. Dy by dx will be plus or minus half x squared plus 16 to the power minus half times 2x over 4. And that will be plus or minus x over 4 square root 16 x squared plus 16 or 16 plus x squared. And that is what? 16 plus x squared plus or minus. That will be plus or minus x over, it's 1, 4 plus or minus 4y. So that will be x over 16y. Okay. Implicit, which is easier. I think. Differentiate respect to x. Always with the implicit, we need to differentiate with respect to x. Sometimes I will forget to mention it. 32y prime minus 2x equals 0. So y prime will be 2x over 32y, which is x over 16y. Same answer. Okay. Now we'll go to 41. Well, what they want in 41, find the slope. Find the slope means what? I need to find y prime at the given point. There should be a given point here. The point is 1 and 1. Yeah, so I have y prime at the point 1 and 1. Yeah. So differentiate. I have 2. But first I need to write the function. It is x over the relation x squared plus y squared equal 4x squared y. Now differentiate with respect to x. What you will get 2 x squared plus y squared 2x plus 2y prime. Here I have product. This will be 8xy plus 4x squared y prime. Now I try to combine the ones with y prime, or I can substitute right away. Yeah, I think I can substitute 1 and 1. Give me what? Give me 2, 1 plus 1. Here I have 2 plus 2y prime, and I have 8 plus 4y prime. Okay, so I have 4, that give me 8 plus 8y prime equal 8 plus 4y prime. So I have 4y prime equal 8 minus 8, which is 0. So y prime equals 0. That's it. Okay. Find the equation with the tangent line to the graph at the given point. There should be a given point. I forget to copy it. This should be minus 4 to root 3. That will be the point. The relation is x squared y squared minus 9x squared minus 4y squared equals 0. You want to find the equation with the tangent line. It means you need to find m tangent, which is f, which is y prime at this point. And then if you have the slope, we have the point, we can find the equation. So first differentiate with respect to x. What you will get 2xy squared plus 2x squared y prime minus 18x minus 8y prime equals 0. Put the point. Let us see the calculation, how it will go. That will give us what? Substitute. That will be minus 8 times 12, correct? This is minus 8, 4 times 3, which is times 12, plus 8, 2 root 3, y prime, minus 18 times 4, 18 times, or you know what? I can divide by 2. So that gives me xy squared plus x squared y prime minus 9x minus 4 y prime equals 0. That will make it easier, the calculation. Now I'll put the point. That will be what? Minus 4 square it times 12 plus x squared, which is 16 times 2, 32, square root of 3y prime. What is it? How it comes? Okay. Yeah. Plus 36 minus 4y minus 8 square root of 3y prime equals 0. Okay. Now this is what? Minus 48 plus 16. This is minus 12. And this one over this is what? Plus 24 square root of 3y prime equals 0. So y prime will be 12 over 24 square root of 3. This is 1, this is 2. Rationalize. I'm getting a square root of 3 over 6. That will be the slope. So it will be the equation. Y plus 4 equal root 3 over 6 times x minus 2 root 3, which is y equals square root of 3x multiply. You have what? Square root of 3 over 6 times, no, x, wait a minute. This is x, y minus 2 square root of 3. This is x plus 4. Okay. So I have 4 square root of 3 over 6 plus 2 square root of 3. This is 1, this is 3. This is 2. 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3, 8 over 3 square root of 3. Yeah, calculations. Okay. More problems. This is 47. The same thing. I need a point, huh? I forget to choose the point. 4 and 2 in this one. The previous one, which is we did 45. So this is the point. Yeah. So he want me to find the slope at a point. The point here is 4 and 2. Hopefully the calculation is easy. Let me rewrite the equation. Equals 100 x squared minus y squared. Differentiate with respect to x. You have 6 x squared plus y squared 2x plus 2y y prime equal what? 100 2x minus 2y y prime. Divide, substitute, or I can divide by x, divide by 100 by 2. That will be 3, and that will be 50. Yeah, maybe that will save a lot of things. We'll see. Now I have 3. Now I'll put the point, which is 4 and 2. I have 3. 4, 16 plus 4, that is 20. This is 4 squared, this is 2 squared, 20. 2x, 8 plus 4y prime. 8 plus 4y prime equal 50. 2 times 4, which is 8 minus 4y prime. Okay. Now I have what? 60 times 8, 480, plus 60 times 4 plus 240y prime equal 400 minus 200y prime. So I have 440 y prime equal minus 80. So y prime equal minus 80 over 440. Cancel over 4. This is 2. This is 11. So it's minus 2 over 11. Okay. Equation will be what? Y minus 2 over 11, x minus 4. In other words, multiply by 11, 11y minus 22 equal minus 20x minus 20x plus 8. So that implies 11y plus 2x equals 30. Or you can divide by y, the same idea. Now, find an equation of tangent line. Use implicit to find the equation. Same thing at the given point. This is the point. Okay, so everything is ready. Have y squared plus ln xy equals 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Or I can simplify this. That's y squared plus ln x plus ln y equals 2. Differentiate with respect to x. We get what? 2y y prime plus 1 over x plus y prime over y equals 0. Now substitute this, a and 1. The point is a and 1. We get what? 2y prime plus 1 over e plus y prime equals 0. That means 3y prime equal minus 1 over a. That means y prime equal minus 1 over 3e. What will be the equation? Y minus 1 equal minus 1 over 3e x minus e. In other words, y minus 1 will be minus 1 over 3ex plus 1 over 3. So it means y equal minus 1 over 3ex plus 4 over 3. Take 1 plus 1 over 3 is 4 over 3. 54. He said, why this does not mean anything? Yes, because if you look at this equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2 equals 1 implies what? X squared plus y squared equals minus 1. This has no values, no real solutions. So it has no meaning to discuss, nothing to discuss here. Okay, 55, part A. You use implicit differentiation to find the equation of the tangent line to this ellipse at this point. Same idea. So do the derivative. I have what? X squared over 2 plus y squared over 8 equal 1. Now differentiate with respect to x to get what? X plus y over 4y prime equals 0. Now substitute the point. The point is 1 and 2. I get what? 1 plus half y prime is equal to 0. So it means half y prime is equal to minus 1. That means y prime equal minus 2. So it will be the equation y minus 2 minus 2x minus 1, which means y minus 2x plus 4. Okay. Now we wanted to do the same thing, but he put values a and b. So that the equation tangent line to the ellipse is this equation. At the point x0, y0. He does not give me values, I mean, he give me constant, a, b, x0, y0. So I want me to do it in general. Okay. So we'll do the same thing. I have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. I have 2x over a squared plus 2y over b squared y prime equal to 0. Now, this is my point. X0, Y0. Plug it here. To get what? 2x0 over a square plus 2y0 over b square times y prime equal to 0. So 2y0 over b square y prime equal minus 2x0 over a square. So that means the slope will be what? Minus x0 over a square times e square over y0, where I cancel the 2 with the 2. That will be the slope. Okay. Now the equation will be what? Yeah, I think I can use this part. Okay. Y minus y0 equal the slope, which is minus x0 b square over a square y0 times x minus y0 times x minus x0. Sorry. I'm heading towards what? I need to get this equation. Yeah. So I'm getting what? Y equal y0 minus x0 b square over a square y0 times x minus x0 square b square over y0 a square. This is too far of what I wrote there. Okay. I need to notice one thing. Because of that, I need this space. X0 and Y0 satisfy this equation. So I have X0 square over A square plus Y0 square over B square is equal to 1. I always need to remember this. Okay. Now I need to rewrite the equation. I have this in both, so just multiply by it. I have, put this in your mind, huh? So just multiply by u0 x a square. So I have a square u0 y equal a square u0 square minus x0 b square x minus x0 square b square. Okay. So I'm having what? I will divide by b square. If I divide by b square, what I will get? I will get a square y0y over b square, which is this one. This is what I'm looking for. Equal a square y0 square over b square minus x0x minus x square x0 square. Okay. Now if I divide by a square, you get what? y0y over b square equal y0 square over b square minus x0x over a square minus x0 square over a square. There should be a minus sign somewhere. This should be plus. Yeah, this is minus. Should be plus. That should be plus. That should be plus. That should be plus. Look, these two is this one. So this is 1. So I have, take this source of the other side, x0 x over a square plus y0 y over b square is equal to 1. This is what I want to prove. Just calculation. The idea you will do it with these variables and then you will get the same. You should get the same answer. Now tan y equal x, what they want in exercise, find dy by dx implicitly, and then find the largest interval which this form is defined. So y is a differentiable function. I will differentiate. So I have secant square y prime is equal to 1. So y prime equal 1 over secant square y. Okay. Which is cosine square y. 1 over secant square is cosine square y. Okay. Well, I leave it secant square better, I think. You can deal with it easier. And I need y to be between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. Well, otherwise, tan to be defined, y should be between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. And at pi over 2, at minus pi over 2, tan will be undefined. So this will be the boundary. So this will be the interval. And this one, if I continue, secant square is what? Is 1 plus tan square y. And that is 1 over 1 plus x square. So y prime will be 1 over 1 plus x square. Simply, secant square y is 1 plus tan square, which is 1 over, and tan y is equal to x. Second derivative problems. Okay. Second derivative problems. Let me rewrite it. 60 xy minus 1 equal to x plus y square. What I will do, differentiate with respect to x. What you will get, what you will have, you will have y plus xy prime equal to plus 2y prime. Solve for y prime. What you will have, you have xy prime minus 2y prime equal to minus y. So y prime equal to minus y over x minus 2y. Now differentiate for y double prime. It will be what? Quotient. So you have 2 minus y prime, not 2. Derivative of the numerator, which is minus y prime, and the denominator minus the numerator. Derivative of this 1 minus 2y prime all over x minus 2y square. Now let us do the derivative for the calculation. I have minus xy prime plus 2y prime minus 2 minus pi plus y minus 2 plus y minus 2 minus 2 times 1 minus 2 minus y if you want. This is plus 1 minus 2 times minus 2y prime. This is minus 4y prime minus 4y prime, and this is plus minus 2y prime over x minus 2y all square. Not this constant. Good. There is something constant. So what I have y minus 2 minus or plus minus 4 minus x y prime over x minus 2 square. I will plug y prime, which is this one. I plug it here. So I have y minus 2 minus 4 minus x 2 minus y over x minus 2y all over x minus 2y all square. So that will give me what? This multiplied by here, that will be xy minus 2x minus 2y square plus 4y minus 8. Okay. Minus 8 minus 4 times this. Baqa will be x minus, oops. It will be x minus 2y cubed. Now this is minus 4 times 2 minus 8. Be careful, be careful. This is no, I just combine it. Okay. Minus 8 minus 2x. Okay. And plus 4y plus xy. Okay. I need to put that in my mind always. That will be what? Wow, calculation very complicated. Yeah, that will be. Is there any cancellation? I have 2xy minus 4x. Okay, that's good. So I did this, 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 this. 2y squared, nothing, plus minus 2y squared. Okay. Plus 8y minus 8. All over x minus 2y cubed. I notice from here, no. Yeah. Here I have what? xy minus 2x minus 1, that will be y squared. So 2xy minus 4x minus 2, that will be 2y squared. So 2xy minus 4x minus 2. Yeah, I'm afraid when I did some calculations mistakes, which is you cannot follow. That y plus xy prime equal this, so y prime equal this is correct. Y double prime, it will be minus y prime x minus 2y minus 2 minus y, 1 minus 2y prime. Do the multiplication, minus xy prime plus 2y prime minus 2 plus y plus, this is minus y, no, minus 2, plus we are done, minus y times 1. From where I get 4, I don't know. This will be 1. Yeah, it will be minus y, but that will be minus y prime. No, wait a minute. I multiply minus 2 by 1, 2y, then minus 2, yeah, this is 4y. Okay, we're saying no. minus 2, but this should be plus, not minus. This is minus y. This is minus 2y prime. Okay, so this is 4y prime. I divide by where it gone. That should be plus. That should be plus. So now this should be plus 8. Who cares? Not only that. Sorry for that. This is calculations. Let me be sure I did the rest is correct. This is y minus 2 plus 4 minus x times y prime over this. This is cancelled. So y minus 2, 4 minus x, I plug this here. Okay, so let me do this again. Yeah. That will be what? Calculation. Y minus 2 times this. That will be xy minus 2x minus 2y square plus 4y. Okay, this is plus 8 minus 2x, 8 minus 2x, minus 4y, okay, minus 4y plus xy. And this is x minus 2y cubed. Yeah, that will make a difference, I think. That will be xy. I have minus 4y and 4y cancelled. I don't need it. So I have xy and xy. This is 2xy minus 2x with minus 2x. This is minus 4x minus 2y square. And here I have 2xy minus 4x minus 2y squared. This is 2 plus 8 over x minus 2y cubed. This is 2 plus 8, so the answer is 10 over x minus 2y cubed. Matter of calculation to me. It's not that difficult, but calculation things. 62. I have 3xy. Hopefully this one is easier. Plus 4 cosine x equals minus 6. Differentiate. I have 3xy prime. 3. Usually do it the other way. 3y plus 3xy prime minus 4 sine x equals 0. So y prime will be equal what? 4 sine x minus 3y over 3. Over 3 over 3x. Yeah, over 3x. Okay. So y double prime will be what? Derivative of the numerator, which is 4 cosine x minus 3y prime times 3x minus 3 times this over 9x squared. So do the calculation. You can cancel 3 with 3 with 3. That will make it easier. So I have 4x cosine x minus 3x times y prime, so which is 4 sine x minus 3y over 3x minus 4 sine x plus 3y all over 3x squared. This is cancelled. So that will save time. 4x cosine x minus 4 sine x plus 3y minus 4 sine x is minus or plus 4 cosine x minus 4, this is plus, that would be 4 sine x over 3y. It's minus 4 sine x. Oh, the question is minus 4. This is minus 4, sorry. This is minus 4. So this is plus. So this is minus. This is minus. So this is plus. Also this one minus. Oh, sorry, I wrote the wrong problem. This is 3xy minus 4 cosine x. So this will be plus. So this is minus 4 sine x minus 3y over 3x. Y double prime will be easy. It will be minus 4 cosine x minus 3y prime. So it's 3x times 3x minus 3 times this. All over 9x squared. I cancel this with this 3 and this 3. Do now the rest. I have minus 4 cosine x. This is y prime is this, so x cancelled. They have 3 remaining. Yeah, over 3x. Keep the 3 here. Don't do the cancellation. This is 9. Keep it 9. This is 3. This is 3x. I plug it here. I have what? Yeah, it's 3y prime. Yeah. Okay, keep it. Yeah, minus 4 sine x. Here I have 3x cancelled with this one. I have minus 3. That will be what? You cancel 3 with 3. With 9, the remaining is 3. So I have minus 4x cosine x. I have minus 3x y prime. And what is y prime? Minus 4 sine x minus 3y over 3x. This is plus 4 sine x plus 3y. All over 3x squared. This is cancelled. خلاص. Minus 4x cosine x. And this is what? Plus 4 sine x plus 3y plus 4 sine x plus 3y over 3x squared. So the result is what? 8 sine x, 4 plus 4 plus 6y minus 4x cosine x over 3x squared. Who cares? This just calculations. Now we'll move tangent line and normal lines. Now just I need to find tangent normal lines. We remember M normal is minus 1 over M tangent. And M tangent is F prime or, yeah, Y prime at the point minus 3 and 4 in this case. So I have 2x plus 2y prime equals 0. Substitute the point. So I get what? Yeah, he wants me to do it at 2 different points. Huh? At 4 and 3, I will do one of them. 4, 3, we'll do this. The other one, it will be the same. 4 and 3. Yeah. What I have 8 plus 6y prime equals 0. So y prime equal minus 4 over 3. M tangent minus 4 over 3 equation y minus 3 equal minus 4 over 3 x minus 4 multiply by 3. I have 3y minus 9 equal minus 4x plus 16. So I have 3y plus 4x minus 25 equals 0. This is the equation for the tangent line. For the normal line, I have m normal is minus 1 over this. So it's 3 over 4. So the equation, the same point, y minus 3 equals 3 over 4, x minus 4. So I have y minus 3 multiplied by 4, do the same idea. I have 4y minus 12 equal 3x minus 12. So I have 4y minus 3x equal 0. That will be the equation for the normal line. This is normal line. Okay. Now show the normal line at any point in the circle passes through the origin. So let us find the normal line. We agree m normal is minus 1 m tangent, which is f prime or y prime at 0, at the point of tangency, which is, I can make it here x0 and y0 for any point, x0 and y0. Okay. So to find the slope, I have 2x plus 2y, y prime equals 0. So I have y prime minus x over y. That will be slope of the normal. At this point, slope of the tangent is minus x0 over y0. Slope of the normal is y0 over x0. That implies the equation of the normal will be y minus y0 equal y0 over x0, x minus x0. So that means I have y minus y0 equal y0 over x0 times x minus y0. So I have y equal y0 over x0 x. So it passes through the origin. Satisfy the equation of the normal line, which is clear. Ouch. This is complicated question. If you understand, it will be very easy. What they want, just if we graph it, I think it will be very clear. We have, this is y squared equal 4x. I have the point 1 and 2. This is the point 1 and 2. I have a circle tangent to this, and another circle tangent to this point. Okay. So now he wants to find the equation of these circles. The catch is where? This is the tangent line. Since the circle is tangent to the curve, it means this will be the normal line. I'm talking at this point, huh? This is the point of tangency, which is 1 and 2. So my circle, I mean, the graph is not that. Yeah, this is a circle, huh? So this is now the radius. If I get the radius, if I get the center, I get the radius. So I call the center H and K. And I know this is a point in the circle, which is 1 and 2, since it's tangent to the curve at this point. So what I will do, I know that the circle, the centers, or the normal line passes through the centers of the circles. Okay. This is very clear. Okay. Uh, Not only that, or let us consider this. So take this point H and K, and they have 1 and 2. This is passes through the normal line, these 2 points. So I'll find the slope of the normal line in 2 ways to find H. I will find it through the derivative. So we can think of what? The tangent line is what? I have y squared equal 4x. Differentiate. I have 2y, y prime equal 4. So y prime will be equal 2 over y. So the slope of the tangent will be what? Slope of the tangent, since y is 2, will be 1, and the slope of the normal will be -1. And the equation of the normal will be y minus 2 equal minus 1x minus 1, or y equal minus x plus 3. That will be the equation of the normal. Okay. Now I want to find the h and k. I know that the center, the distance between the center and this point should be 4, since it says the radius 4. So you know the equation of the circle, should be y minus k squared plus x minus h squared equals 16. That will be the equation of the circle. And y, since it passes through this, and y, it's minus x plus 3. Yeah, so that's, and the point 1 and 2, is part of the circle. So I have minus x, not minus x. I'm looking for h and k. So I have y, which is 3 minus x square minus 2 plus x minus 1 square is equal to 16. If I solve this, this is what? 3 minus x all square, 3 minus x, not all square, all square. That will be what? 1 minus x, which is the same. So I have 2 x minus 1 square equals 16. So x minus 1 square equals 8. So x equal 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. So the centers should be what? At one of them at x equal 1 plus 2 root 2. And the other one at x equal 1 minus 2 root 2. خلاص. If you have x, you can get y, which is just substituted here. since it passes through the line. So it will be what? 2, 1 plus, minus, it will be 2 minus 2 root 2. And this one will be y equal, plug it here, minus 1. It will be 2 plus 2 root 2. You have the center, you have the equation, you have the radius, that's it. So plug it in this. You get everything. I hope it's clear. This is the main idea. This is the normal line. It should be the catch. So this is tangent, this is tangent. So this is the normal line, which is 4 units from this. And it's the center passes through the normal. Vertical and horizontal tangent lines. Find the points at which the graph of the equation has a vertical and horizontal tangent. Now we'll deal with vertical and horizontal tangent for such problem. Let us do the calculation. Differentiate. I have 50x plus 32 y prime plus 400 minus 160 y prime is equal to 0. So solve for it. So I have this is 200 by 400. I don't know. So I have y prime 32y minus 160 times y prime equal minus 200 minus 50x. In other words, y prime equal 200 plus 50x over 160 minus 32y. Okay, horizontal tangent. I want y prime to be equal 0. So that means 200 plus 50x equals 0. But be careful, but 160 minus 32y not equal to 0. So I have the things defined. So 200 plus 50x equals 0. That means x equal what? Minus 4. Plug it into the equation. You get what? 25 times 16 plus 16 y squared. I'm looking for y squared plus 200 times minus 4 minus 160y plus 400 equals 0. What is 20? This is 25 times 16 is what? It's 400. So this is cancelled. No. Yeah, this is 800 minus 800 is 800 cancelled. So I have 16y and I have y minus 10 equals 0. So I have y equals 0 or y equal 10. Or in both cases, this is cannot be 0. So this is okay. So I have the point minus 4, 0, minus 4 and 10. This is for the horizontal tangent. Now for the vertical tangent, I need the opposite. I need 160 minus 32y equals 0, but this is not equal to 0. So I get what? Y equals what? Y equal 160 over 32, and that is 5, yeah? 5, yes. Now to find the x values, I plug it here. So I have 25x squared plus 16 times 25 plus 200x minus 160 times 5 plus 400 equals 0. 160 times 5, that give me what? This is give me 400. This is 400. 160 times 5 also give me 800. Yeah, give me 800. So this cancelled. I can take 25 x common factor, and they have x plus 8 equals 0. So I have what? X equals 0 or x equal minus 8. And in both cases, this is impossible. So I have the points 0 and 5 and minus 8 and 5. Yeah, let me stop here. I think we did many complicated things. Yeah. Thank you.